everyone. Welcome to our channel Biology for All. Know the difference. This is a video series created to clear the differences between similar sounding terms for grade 12 students. There are certain terms that are confusing as they sound similar or almost have similar meanings. In this video, I will be explaining such terms from Chapter 5, Principles of Inheritance and Variation. So, let us look at the first set of terms, heredity and variation. Heredity is the inheritance or passing of characters from parent to offspring across generations, and variation is the differences we see among individuals in these inherited characters. That is, even though we inherit characters from our parents, we do not look exactly like our parent, nor do our siblings. That is, our brother or sister does not look exactly like us. Chromosome and chromatid. We know that DNA condenses and forms chromosome, and one DNA molecule makes up one chromosome. It looks like this. We call this an unreplicated chromosome. When the cell starts to undergo division, the DNA replicates. We know that it happens during the S phase of the cell cycle. After replication, the chromosomes look like this. The chromosome is made up of two strands that has replicated from one. These two strands of the chromosome is called chromatid. Remember, we have chromosome in pairs. That is, we receive one from each parent. Thus, one pair of chromosome will have four chromatids. Chromatids on the same chromosome are called sister chromatids. These are connected by a centromere. Homologous chromosome and heterologous chromosome. Homologous means having the same relative position, value, or structure. That is, something which is exactly the same. When we use this word for chromosome, it means that a pair of chromosomes have the same size, shape, location of genes, and position of the centromere. As mentioned earlier, homologous pair has one chromosome inherited from each parent. Heterologous chromosome, on the other hand, is a term used when chromosomes are different. Autosomes and allosomes. In the set of chromosomes present in each species, there are chromosomes that carry genes for somatic or body characters, and there are chromosomes that carry genes for determining the sex of the individual. The chromosomes that carry genes for somatic or body characters like hair color, eye color, height, etc. are called autosomes, and the chromosomes that determine the sex or the gender of the individual is called allosome or sex chromosome. In humans, we have 22 pairs of autosomes and one pair of sex chromosome. Gene and allele. Gene is a part or segment of DNA that codes for a specific protein. It is responsible for a specific character like eye color, hair color, etc. Every gene has two forms. As we inherit one chromosome from each parent, that will be different. An example here could be the eye color. If your father has blue eyes and mother has brown, then you inherit two forms of the same gene. These two forms of the same gene is called allele. Homozygous and heterozygous. When a pair of chromosome, that is the homologous chromosome, has same alleles, example capital A or small g, it is called homozygous. And when there are different alleles, for example, capital A small a or capital G small g, It is called heterozygous, that is, different alleles. So these were some of the terms from chapter 5.